girls, this is Miss Brianne and welcome back to Coding Fun with Miss Brianne. And this is the mini-series where I provide brief introductions and demonstrations of all the different coding toys, robots, computer software, and games that we here have to offer at the Westhampton Free Library, as well as in my own personal collection. And today's video concludes the mini-series I am doing with our library's, one of our library's robots, Coji. I'm going to show you how to, I'm going to demonstrate the last game in the Coji app, the Drive game. And before I begin, I just want to let you know that Coji, as well as the Coji app, was created by the company WowWee. Alright, are we ready to begin? Alright, we're going to power on Coji. And if you don't remember, the power button is right over here. So we're going to turn Coji's power on. Alright, so here's Coji. Now, sorry, activating the tablet's a little tricky this morning. So we're gonna find the Coji app on our tablet. And there it is, right here. So we're gonna press on the Coji app. And there's the Coji screen. And we're going to start. So we're going to connect to the Coji. And it's taken a few minutes today. We're going to skip this. And we're going to do Drive mode today, the last game of the app. So we're going to tap on Drive mode. And here are the controls. Here's the remote control to drive Coji around. And you just hold on and move, and Coji moves. If you go upwards with control, he moves forward. If you go downwards with controller, he moves backward. Move this way, he turns to the left, and go this way, he turns to the right. So you want to see that in action, boys and girls? Alright, so I'm going to move him backward. Now I'm going to move him forward. Now we're going to turn left. Now we're going to turn right. And you use this remote, and that's how you can make Coji go. Oh! And I'm on a table, so I don't want him to fall. And you can make Coji go anywhere. Stupid. Cool, huh, boys and girls? Alright, so besides the remote, we have emoticons. Now you press up, this changes the display on Coji. So if I press this, he acts out the emoticon. There's his regular face, and that's how you control Coji. So I'm going to show you his regular face. That's just his regular face. Now I'm going to show you his really happy face. I'll describe these real quick. This is his regular face. This is his really happy face. This is his scheming face or evil face. Here's his silly face. Here's his I'm tired face. Not sure what that is. We'll see in a minute. There's his kissing face. There's his innocent angel face. And there's his I love you face. So I'll show these to you. Let's show you his normal face. Now I'm going to show you his really happy face. And he acts it out too. Here's his scheming or evil face. Yeah, that little laugh. Here's his silly face. There's his I'm tired face. Or his dizzy face. Now here's the other one. I think that means okay. Here's his kissing face. And here's his innocent angel face. And then finally his I love you face. Isn't that neat? Now drive mode isn't the same, is a little bit more limited than Command Center or Free Play, but it's a good starting point if you just got a Coji and you've already controlled him without the tablet and just want to get started on using the tablet. I'll put back his regular face. And you just want to start using the tablet to control Coji. This is a good starting point drive mode. It allows you to get a handle on Coji and all the things he can do. And you can also play the games where you don't need the Coji for in order to get started as well. Those are also good starting points. But in any event, this is our Coji robot that is part of our library's collection. I hope you had fun watching this Coji mini-series, and I hope you learned a little bit today. And I certainly enjoyed filming this series. And I'm looking forward to introducing our next toy or game or robot for the next time. But until then, this is Miss Brianne saying take good care of yourselves, have a great day, and I'll see you soon.